Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss the graphical method of solving quadratic equation. So as stated in our previous videos that we have 4 methods of solving quadratic equation. The first method is the factorization method, completing the square method, quadratic also called the almighty or general formula, lastly the graphical method. Previous videos have taught the 3 methods of solving quadratic equation. And today we'll look at the last method, that is the graphical method of solving quadratic equation. We've been asked to solve the following equations graphically. Now let's start with question number 1. Let's rewrite this equation as a function of y. So we have y equal x squared minus 6x plus 8. Identify a, b, and c. A is 1 because the coefficient of x squared here is 1. B is minus 6. YC is 8. It is worthy to note that the graph of a quadratic function is a U-shaped curve called parabola. So by the time we plot this graph, the orientation of the parabola will be a U-shaped curve. Either the parabola opens upward or downward. The shape or the orientation of the parabola depends on the value of a. If a value is greater than 0, the parabola opens upward, while if a value is less than 0, the parabola opens downward. Now let's identify the shape or the orientation of the parabola. We did say that the a value in this equation is 1. And since 1 is greater than 0, it's expected that after plotting this graph, our parabola will take this shape. That is, it will open upward. On the x-axis, 1 cm represents 1. So also on the y-axis. Let's find or calculate the vertex. We use this formula to calculate the x vertex minus b minus our b value is minus 6 divided by 2 times a. Our a value is 1. Minus times minus is plus, so we have positive 6 divided by 2 times 1 gives 2. So 6 divided by 2 gives x vertex is 3. Substitute the value of x vertex into the equation to get the corresponding y coordinate. So we have y equal to x squared. We did say our x vertex value is 3, so we square it, minus 6 times x. Our x value is 3 and then plus 8. 3 squared is 9 minus 6 times 3 gives 18 plus 8. 9 minus 18 plus 8 gives minus 1. So the corresponding y value is minus 1. That is here. Let's draw the axis or the line of symmetry. Axis line or the line of symmetry is a vertical line that goes through the vertex, dividing the parabola into 2 equal parts. Now let's pick additional values for x to the left and right of the vertex. Remember, we did say our vertex values are 3 and minus 1. That is this and this point. And calculate their corresponding y values. Substituting 0 for x in our equation, so we'll have 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 8. 0 squared gives 0, minus 6 times 0 gives 0, and then plus 8. Therefore, the corresponding y value is 8 when x is 0. So we'll trace this point on our graph. When x is 0, y value is 8, right? Now when x is 1, our y value will be 1 squared minus 6 times 1 plus 8. 1 squared gives 1, minus 6 times 1 gives minus 6, and then plus 8. 1 minus 6 plus 8 gives 3. So when x is 1, y value is 3. When x is 2, y value will be equal to 2 squared minus 6 times 2 plus 8. 2 squared gives 4, minus 6 times 2 gives minus 12, and then plus 8. 4 minus 12 plus 8 gives 0. So when x is 2, y value is 0. When x is 4, y will be equal to 4 squared minus 6 times 4 plus 8. 4 squared gives 16. Minus 6 times 4 gives minus 24 plus 8. 16 minus 24 plus 8 gives 0. So we have when x is 4, y value is 0. When x is 5, y value will be equal 5 squared minus 6 times 5 plus 8. An addition of all this gives 3. So when x is 5, y value is 3. When x is 6, y value will be equal to 6 squared minus 6 times 6 plus 8. 6 squared gives 36, minus 6 times 6 gives minus 36, plus 8. 36 minus 36 plus 8 gives 8. When x value is 6, y value is 8. Now let's sketch the parabola by connecting these points. We'll graph the parabola. Identify the point of intersections where the parabola crosses the x-axis. We can see that the parabola crosses the x-axis at 2 points, that is at 2 and at 4. Therefore, the value of x for this equation is either 2 or 4. The points where the parabola crosses the x-axis. Now let's answer number 2 question. Rewriting this equation as a function of y, we have y equal x squared plus 2x minus 8. Now let's identify the shape or orientation of the parabola. Shape of a parabola is based on the value of a. A value here is 1 because the coefficient of x squared is 1. Since our a value is greater than 0, our parabola opens upward. Now let's calculate our x vertex with our formula minus b over 2a. So we have minus, our b value is 2 over 2 times a. Our a value is 1. So we have minus 2 divided by 2 times 1 gives 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 gives minus 1. So the x vertex is minus 1. Let's substitute the value of x vertex into our equation to find the corresponding y value. When x vertex is minus 1, y will be called minus 1 squared plus 2 times minus 1 and then minus 8. Minus 1 squared gives 1. 2 times minus 1 gives minus 2 and then minus 8. 1 minus 2 minus 8 gives minus 9. So when x equal minus 1, y value is minus 9. Let's plot the vertex. When x value is minus 1, that is here, our y value is minus 9 at this point. Let's pick additional values for x and calculate their corresponding y values. Let's draw the line of symmetry based on the vertex. Our x vertex is minus 1 and then the y vertex is minus 9. Let's calculate y value when x is minus 2. So our equation being y equal x squared, we say the x value is minus 2 squared plus 2 times minus 2 minus 8. Minus 2 squared gives 4. 2 times minus 2 gives minus 4 minus 8. 4 minus 4 minus 8 gives minus 8. We'll plot this value on the graph. When x is minus 2, this is minus 2, y value is minus 8. When x value is minus 3, y value will be minus 3 squared plus 2 times minus 3 minus 8. Minus 3 squared gives 9. 2 times minus 3 gives minus 6 minus 8. 9 minus 6 minus 8 gives minus 5. When x is minus 3, y value is minus 5. When x value is minus 4, y value will be minus 4 squared plus 2 times minus 4 minus 8. Minus 4 squared gives 16. 2 times minus 4 gives minus 8 minus 8. 16 minus 8 minus 8 gives 0. So when x value is minus 4, which is here, y value is 0 at this point. When x value is 0, y will be equal to 0 squared plus 2 times 0 minus 8. 0 squared gives 0 plus 2 times 0 gives 0 minus 8. 0 plus 0 minus 8 gives minus 8. When x value is 0, y value is minus 8. When x value is 1, y value will be 1 squared plus 2 times 1 minus 8. 1 squared gives 1 plus 2 times 1 gives 2 minus 8. 1 plus 2 minus 8 gives minus 5. So when x is 1, y value is minus 5. X value is 2, y value will be equal to 2 squared plus 2 times 2 minus 8. 2 squared gives 4 plus 2 times 2 gives 4 minus 8. 4 plus 4 minus 8 gives 0. So when x is 2, y value is 0. X value is 3, y value will be equal to 3 squared plus 2 times 3 minus 8. 3 squared gives 9. 2 times 3 will have 6 minus 8. 9 plus 6 minus 8 gives 7. X is 3, y value is 7. Now let's get the parabola by connecting these points. So we'll connect these points. Now let's find the x values. These are the points where the parabola crosses the x-axis. We could see the points where the parabola crosses the x-axis at point -4, 2. X values are either -4 or 2. If you are getting value from this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you. Now let's answer the last part of the question. Writing this equation as a function of y, we have minus 2x squared minus 3x plus 2. A is minus 2, b is minus 3, yc is 2. Since the value of a is less than 0, so this will be the orientation or the shape of the parabola. The x vertex is equal to minus b over 2a minus our b value is minus 3 divided by 2 times a, our a value is minus 2. Minus times minus will have plus, so the value of 3 here is positive. Divide by 2 times minus 2 gives minus 4. 3 divided by minus 4 is equal to minus 0.75. So the x vertex is minus 0.75. Now let's substitute this into this equation to find the corresponding y value. X squared, our x value is minus 0.75 square minus 3 times x plus 2. So we have minus 2. The square of this value gives this. Minus 3 times this value gives this, and then plus 2. Minus 2 times these values gives this. This plus this gives 4.25. And so minus 1.125 plus this gives this. So this is the corresponding y value when x is minus 0.75. Now let's trace this on our graph. X-axis 1 cm represents 1, y on the y-axis 1 cm represents 2. When x value is minus 0.75, y value is 3.125. Let's draw the line of symmetry. So this is our line of symmetry based on the vertex. Now let's pick additional values for x to the left and right of the vertex and calculate their corresponding y values. When x is 0, substituting 0 into our equation, we have minus 2 times x squared. We say x value is 0, so we have 0 squared minus 3 times x. Our x value is 0, and then plus 2. 0 squared gives 0, minus 2 times 0 is 0, minus 3 times 0 is 0, and then plus 2. So y value is equal to 2. So when x is 0, y value is 2. When x value is 1, we have minus 2 times 1 raised to power 2 minus 3 times 1 minus 2. 1 square gives 1, minus 3 times 1 gives minus 3 plus 2. Minus 2 times 1 gives minus 2, minus 3 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 3 plus 2 gives minus 3. So when x value is 1, y is minus 3. When x value is 2, substituting 2 for x in our equation, we have minus 2, 2 squared, minus 3 times 2 plus 2. So we have minus 2, 2 squared gives 4, minus 3 times 2 gives minus 6 plus 2. Minus 2 times 4 gives minus 8, minus 6 plus 2. Minus 8 minus 6 is minus 14. Minus 14 plus 2 gives minus 12. So when x value is 2, y is minus 12. When x value is minus 1, substituting minus 1 for x in our equation, we have minus 2 times minus 1 square minus 3 times x, which is minus 1 plus 2. Minus 2 minus 1 square gives 1, minus 3 times minus 1 gives plus 3, and then plus 2. Minus 2 times 1 gives minus 2. 3 plus 2 gives 5. Minus 2 plus 5 gives 3. X is minus 1. Y value is 3. When x is minus 2, y will be equal minus 2 times minus 2 square minus 3 times minus 2 plus 2. We have minus 2. Minus 2 square gives 4. Minus 3 times minus 2 gives 6, and then plus 2. Minus 2 times 4 gives minus 8. 6 plus 2 gives 8. So we have minus 8 plus 8 gives 0. So when x is minus 2, y value is 0. When x value is minus 3, we have minus 2 minus 3 square minus 3 times x being minus 3 and then plus 2. We have minus 2 minus 3 square gives 9. Minus 3 times minus 3 gives positive 9 and then plus 2. Minus 2 times 9 gives minus 18. 9 plus 2 gives 11. Minus 18 plus 11 gives minus 7. So when x is minus 3, y value is minus 7. Now let's sketch the parabola by connecting these points. Now let's identify the points where the parabola crosses the x-axis. We could see that this parabola crossed the x-axis at 2 points. That is here and here. These 2 points. And this point is minus 2, while this point is 0.5, because from here to here is 1. So half of this is 0.5. X value is equal minus 2 or 0.5. I hope this video is clear enough. Please share your thoughts on this video. If you have any question or topics you would want us to cover in future video, kindly drop that in the comment section. In case you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Also do well to share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Please stay tuned for our next video where we'll talk about how to find quadratic equation if you are given 2 or 3 points with unknown vertex. Thanks so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye.